Hi everybody, welcome back for another video. I have a fun unboxing that I'm going to be doing today. I have been using this Folio Traveler's Notebook by Brie at Documented Journey for my wallet. I've had it for a little over 2 years now. It is in the branch color, and the inside is black. So it's like a nice dark Folio Traveler's Notebook. But with it being summer, I don't have the need for a lot of the stuff that I have in here with me when I run out for errands or things like that. So I had moved back into this. This is my, I think I've taken out all the stuff that's important. Yeah, this is my Chic Sparrow Nano. When I got this, this was called Mr. Darcy Buttered Rum. Now I think it's Emma or something like that. I don't know. I haven't bought anything at Chic Sparrow in over 2 years, so I don't know. Except I might place an order for some new of these dashboards. We'll see. And I've just got an old Chic Sparrow when they used to make inserts. And it says notes, grocery list, shopping list, that type of stuff. And I've got like some gift cards in there and a business card, and I'm not sure what else. Oh, my dentist. So you can see that I have something here from Brie at Documented Journey. And another way you can tell is because of this cute little sticker, which I'm gonna see if I can save this. I love her stickers. Oh, I think I can. She put it over plastic tape. Okay. I'm gonna put it in my planner. Oh, look, I've already put one in here. I've got that's Maru for that. I've got that for next week. Maybe what I'll do is journal about this, so I'll set it aside. Here. So, let me get my scissors out. You can hear the kitty and the puppy running around. Making lots of noises. There we go. Just making sure I got everything. Ooh, look at this card. It's owls. October from 2021. This was one of the Patreon cards from October of 2021, I think. Okay. So you can see it's really tiny. Let me take the twine off. That looks like Allie Brown washi tape. It looks like her rainbow plop. It might not be, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. Let me save the washi tape too with the little bird sticker. Dun 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 dun! See, look! It's this size, but I did something different to it. I added a front pocket. So, let's take a look at it. So you can see it looks very kind of reminiscent of my new planner, which I've been using since I got it. It's the golden rod. It's kind of a mustard yellow. And then it has a pocket, but look, this is a pocket like this. And the reason I got a pocket like that is, you know, say you're at the store and like I've got a gift card. So say you're at the store with a gift card and you don't want to flip to find which of these to put it in. You can just put it up there and then look, it's not going to come out. So that was my creation. I have a passport that she made for me that has a pocket that size, and I love it. So I wanted one here, but I wanted it to be the beautiful, I think it's called Evening Rose or something like that. And there's the mustard, and on the inside is mustard and green, and then black elastic. So that way, I can use this as a wallet. See? And then I'll put my IDs, my cards, and all of that stuff on here. I might tighten that a little bit. And then you can put more cards and stuff in there. And ta-da! There's my wallet. It's just a little bit taller than this. I might have had the measurements. I sent it a little bit wrong, but look at that. Very cute. Very, very, very cute. Because that's all I'm gonna do is put cards or cash in there, and then use this to hold a little notebook and cards. And I might be able to fit a micro size notebook. So a little bit more writing space than this little tiny Nano insert. So that's all I wanted to show you, just a quick little unboxing. So these two are going to be the two notebooks that I'm using a lot. This is my personal planner, and this is my wallet. Very, very, very pretty, isn't it? I'm loving this yellow. I've always loved like these autumn yellow type colors, and then with this splash of greens and blues and pinks and yellow. I just think it looks so wonderful on the yellow. So that was it. Just a quick little video. Nothing too, you know, nothing too exciting. Just well, actually it is exciting, but nothing revelatory. Just a cute little unboxing of a great little notebook to go along with my new one. I will link Brie down below. I'll link her Instagram, and I'll link her her store, documentedjourney.net. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Could you ever go into anything this small for a wallet? I think it's great, because like I put, you know, like a driver's license in here, credit card in here, auto insurance, and the opposite side I put like my medical insurance and faculty ID and AAA and stuff like that. So it's perfecto. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.